Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use split screen multitasking on your RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. In order to use multitasking, open an app that you'd like to use. For example, let's say settings. Probably not settings, probably you want to use settings in split screen mode. But now let's slide up and hold to go to recents, tap on the top, like on the app icon, and then select split screen. Now select another app from recently opened that you'd like to use. Let's say camera, okay, can't be used. Let's say Google, and now as you can see I can use both apps. So that is great. I can also resize them if I want. Probably. No, I can't really resize them too much. It just closes the other app. But that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.